Hello Fashionistas, welcome to the Fashion World. I previewed this very video before it's published and before you are seeing it right now, and the best way I personally described it uh, is gorgeous, fabulous, stunning, fantastic, exotic, classy, delectable, and fantastic. The fabric is satin. Satin may not be popular as your regular Ankara and lace, but when you rock satin as a fabric and turn them into any of these gorgeous styles rolling by on your screen, you will most definitely going to be on another level. Today's style is made with satin fabric. If it has to be rated, it's going to be 10/10 multiplied by 10. The styles are gorgeous, they are awesome, and the styles are for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got everyone covered in this fantastic video full of captivating, lovely styles made with satin fabric. It speaks for itself. Imagine you putting on any of these and find yourself in any social gathering. Most definitely you are going to be the focal person in that very garden. You are going to be making heads roll. Head is going to turn wherever you find yourself rocking any of these styles. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and do justice to this video by watching from the beginning to the end. And trust me, you will be glad you did. All props and credit in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful, highly talented fashion designers who took their time to conceptualize these styles and bringing them to reality that we all are seeing now, and availing us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to those fantastic designers. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and share this video with family and friends for us to able to spread the trend of African fashion across the world. And also share subscribe if you have not done that. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and turn on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast, a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a blessed day ahead. I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. make me uncomfortable. Wow! The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get trouble.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.